Hey guys, it's Joe, and I am here to show you how to make icebox cake. This is my grandmother's recipe. The recipe is available in the book, The Dog Father, but I figured I might as well do a little video about it and let you know how delicious it is and how much it means to me. So let's get started. So you're gonna have your ready-made crust because you don't want to have to line the whole tin with graham crackers if you want to be lazy like me. So you can just buy one of those ready-made ones, and all you're going to do is make the ingredients and basically just layer each of the ingredients. So the first step, the bottom layer, is the pudding, and you want to make sure that it's cooked to serve pudding. That's very important. If it's instant pudding, it's going to just drip into each other, no good. You gotta show the thicker. Where you going? See, look, it's thicker. Okay, so when the pudding's ready, you're just going to take the pudding, and then we're going to pour it right into the crust. And then you're going to take this guy and you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Make sure you say goodbye to it. Okay, so you're going to get the pie out of the fridge now. It's been some time. It'll set like that, so you have it set. A little less shaky. See, if you shake it, there's not much going on. And now we're ready to do our jello. The water's boiling. You're going to open up your jello mix carefully. Pour it right into the bowl. There you go, you just get it all in there. Okay. And then we're gonna take our boiling water carefully, because this is hot, and we're just gonna pour it over the mix. That's 1 cup boiled. It's all dissolved in there. You're gonna add the other 1 cup of cold water. Super easy. So you got your pie, right? And now you got your mix, and you're gonna need a spoon and a ladle. And all you're gonna do is over the back of the spoon, this is very important, you take this and you wanna pour it over the back of a spoon so you don't break the pudding. You're gonna protect the pudding. And that's what it should look like, and you're gonna put it back in the fridge. Be careful, don't spill it. I'm actually not gonna share this part because I'm definitely gonna spill it everywhere, but it goes back in the fridge. And there we go. It's in the fridge, I didn't spill any. And now you just wait 4 hours, and then you're gonna take it out and put on the Cool Whip. And there you have it, icebox cake. Let's get a slice. Rest in peace, machine. A little pudding powder. You're gonna make a mess all over the kitchen, and this is why I don't make it that often.